So we're putting the roll-up tonneau cover on. I never thought I'd be a fan of them, but I'll tell you what, after using them, I really like it, and that's probably what caused a lot of my rusting issues, is not keeping it covered. So I was a little worried about that front edge. It doesn't appear to be an issue. So we evened up the canvas so that when you slide the side rail in, it hits good. And then, because that slides back and forth on that front rail. And then once we got everything good, we Velcro down the first 3 inches on each side, because that's kind of what holds it in. There's no screw in there holding them together. Then we took our clamps, which these clamps are a little simpler than the Tacoma was. There's a rail underneath here on this truck, right under here. So they just clamp right around there. The only thing I had to avoid is where the liner is. So we have it evened up. I think we're good. We're going to roll it out. We did not tighten these down yet, just finger tight. We're going to roll it out, make sure the bars fit in between here nice. And then we'll bring the tailgate up. But I'm pretty sure once that lip comes over, it's going to extend it just about far enough for the tailgate. So we'll see how that fits. If we have to, we'll slide the whole thing up. If we have to, we'll bring them out a little bit. But I think we're really close to having this thing in. The only thing we had to do was, you have these little water guards in the front 2 corners, and then there's 2 for on the back 2 corners. Other than that, this one was pretty simple. We didn't have to take the front bar off or anything like that, which, the way this liner is, would not help anyways. Okay, let's roll it out, test it, and adjust and tighten it down.